Hey, welcome everyone. In this video I'm doing an unboxing of the Amazon Fire TV Stick. This is the version released in 2020 with a bunch of apps. As you can see are listed here, at least the Canadian apps that are available. And it does have built into this remote control. And something to keep in mind is that this is a 1080p only model. So the one released in 2020 only supports a cap of 1080p resolution. There's also two versions of this device. One is the light version, one is the regular. I am unboxing the regular one, and a link to the review will be in the video description. The only difference that I know about between this and the light version is that the light version can't control your volume of your TV or home theater devices, or it can't control the power. So for example, this remote I'm unpacking right now does have an IR blaster built into it. So if your TV or home theater devices are compatible, you can control the volume and power from this one remote control, which is pretty cool. So I'm just trying to get the sticky off of here. It's just a simple remote. It's pretty basic, which is kind of a good thing. I like basic, simple remotes. As long as they're effective at doing their job, you know, all the navigation buttons and everything feels pretty easy to reach. There's a slight groove at the back. It feels incredibly flat, not uncomfortable, just irregularly flat compared to a lot of other devices I've used in the remote controls for them. Trying to get this accessory out of here. I have no clue what this is. Interesting. Looks to be an HDMI extender. I didn't know Amazon was going to include that in the box. That's kind of a good thing, because here's the media streamer itself. It's just a media streamer stick, if you will. It's incredibly compact and small. So depending on how your TV is mounted, you might not be able to plug it in easily. So I can see how the HDMI extender might help in that regard. It's incredibly light. It feels like there's nothing in there. Like really, it feels like it's not going to turn on. It's just an empty piece of plastic. But yeah, just wanted to point that out there. Here's the power wire, which is a micro USB cable end on one end. Here's some documentation. So the main one is the quick start guide, from what I can tell. Just some pretty generic information, which I'm sure is very easy to set up. Important information such as safety and warranty information. So I'm not going to get into that too much. All that's remaining now is the battery remotes and the power brick for the charging wire, or the power wire rather. And here's the power brick. And here are the batteries. And yeah, they're Amazon basic batteries. I guess it makes sense. Amazon makes batteries, why not pack their own in there? So here's the power USB brick for the device. So again, one end of this power wire is micro USB, not USB-C, which is unfortunate. I know that might sound like a big deal, but everything should be USB-C nowadays. And the other end is a USB-A fitting. So I just want to quickly connect the HDMI extender, just kind of see how long it turns out to be. But yeah, that might be pretty useful for some people. So I hope you found this video useful. Be sure to check out my social links in the video description, as well as a link to the video review. Hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.